Welcome, today in front of me REALME C31, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sound section. Now just here you can see the ringtone and notification volume panel. Just to change the ringtone volume of your device, you should swipe this white dot to the left side or to the right side with your finger by this way. And also we can do it by use the volume buttons. Just press the up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and then click here on the settings icon, and just by the same way you can also change the ringtone volume of your device by swipe this blue dot to the left or to the right, and then click here to done, and you'll just save all of the changes here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.